What's up guys? Today may pupuntahan kaming birthday. Birthday ng pinaka-favorite person ko in the world. So, mamaya pa yun. So, mamaya pa kami magbablog ulit. Alright guys, happy birthday my favorite person. Bruh! Whose birthday is it? Oh my god! Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? Bayan! Hey! Yeah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! My favorite! Hey! My favorite! Joke lang yun. Hindi ko siya favorite. Ay, just kidding. Favorite ka pala. How old are you now, Olivia? 6! Wow! Same age as Ellis.
And Elizabeth.
Oh, hi Elizabeth. That's your friend? Your classmate?
I don't know if that's my brother's man.
That's your classmate?
My brother's older than your brother. He's 11.
Wow. Anong handa mo?
Spring roll and chicken.
What's up, Kuya Ethan? How are you?
Good.
Good? What's up, Gabe? Kumusta naman? Carabao. Guys, tatanungin natin sila kung ano yung mga message nila for Olivia. Hey Alice, what's your message for Olivia's birthday?
Happy birthday, Olivia. I hope you will be a good cousin.
Hindi yata siya natuwa sa message mo.
Or else I'll be mad.
Kuya Ethan, what's your message for your baby sister?
My baby sister.
Olivia, what's your message for her birthday?
Happy birthday. Love you so much. You're the best. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
What's your name? Keisha. Yes, I forgot. What's your message for Olivia?
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Aww. Elijah.
Hello.
What's your message for Olivia?
Happy birthday. I love you.
What's your message for Olivia?
Happy birthday, Olivia.
And?
I love you.
Yo, ikaw.
Happy birthday. You're pretty.
What's your message for Olivia?
I love you, Elaine. Elaine.
Elaine? Olivia? Okay, akala ko Elaine. What's your message for Olivia?
Happy birthday, Olivia.
What's your message for Olivia?
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Caleb, right? Caleb, and this is Caleb, and this is Clayton.
They asked with Maya.
Yeah, that's Clayton and Caleb. Message for Olivia.
Happy birthday.
Message for Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Tito, message for Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Ayan si Lolo.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Ayan, Lolo.
Anong masasabi mo kay Olivia? Puta, nag-iyak ko. Arte.
Yes, thank you.
Message for Olivia. Happy birthday, Olivia. I love you.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Love you.
Message for Olivia.
Ollie, happy birthday and
Ito yung nanay ni Kisha.
be a good girl as always.
Message for Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Be a good girl.
Si Ninang Gabe.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Ayun lang.
Stay childlike and always be a good daughter to mommy and dad.
English yun. Kailangan English yun.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Stay good and beautiful.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Message for Olivia.
Olivia, happy birthday, Olivia. Always listen to your mom and dad at saka always be kikay and creative as you can be.
Thank you. Message for Olivia.
Happy birthday, Neng. Always be a good girl.
Dito, kayo po ba? Message kay Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
Thank you. Tita, message po kay Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Stay cute. Love you.
Thank you. Meron pa dito sa taas. Hello, hello, hello. Message for Olivia. Happy birthday kay Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Hope you have an amazing day.
Wait lang, kumakain ako. Tarantado ka talaga.
Ikaw wala, Paul.
Happy birthday, Bangs.
Yun. Message po ate Olivia.
More bangs to go.
Hi.
Si Sheila.
Happy birthday, Azalea. Happy birthday, Azalea.
Happy birthday, Bangs.
Bangs, you look like Annabelle.